Last week when I posted the recipe of chicken biryani, I told you my experiment with Le Creuset will continue. So today I am here with another recipe using Le Creuset pot, which is known as tagine. Tagine dish gets its name from the vessel in which it is cooked. You can cook tagine dishes with meat or vegetables or a mix of both. So I am here today with chickpeas and vegetable tagine. Let's get cooking. Creuset India sent me this tagine, so I thought this is best time to start cooking my favorite recipe, which is vegetable and chickpeas tagine. Tagine is basically a Moroccan vessel, but it can very well be used in Indian cooking as well. When steam is generated while cooking your food, the steam condenses here and it kinds of create a moist atmosphere inside which seals the flavors and which seals the taste as well. So the food that comes out is much tastier. I'll remove the lid and keep it aside. This is heavy cast iron pan and I'm going to heat it. Cast iron take little longer time to heat up, but once it is heated up, it retains the temperature very nicely. Take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let the olive oil heat up a bit. I've used extra virgin olive oil, so you don't need to heat it up much. Just light heating is good enough. So I'm adding my onion to it. Onion are sliced. If you like the flavor of the garlic, you can use garlic as well. Add chopped garlic at this stage itself. It's a very quick recipe. If you have your ingredients ready, you can cook it in flat 20 minutes. You don't need to brown the onions. If you have yellow pumpkin available, you can go ahead and use that, or otherwise you can use butternut squash as well. About 2 small pieces of sliced karagir. You can use zucchini as well. Give all these veggies a good mix. When you are selecting veggies for your any dish, just make sure that their cooking time is almost similar. Otherwise, some of them can be raw also. So if you want even cooking, just choose your veggie with the equal cooking time. Finally, I am adding about 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. Let this veggies cook for 2 minutes and then we'll start adding our spice powders. This is Baharat spice. I've given the recipe for this Baharat spice in the description below. Cayenne pepper, about a teaspoon. You can use normal chili powder also. 1 chopped jalapeno pepper. Salt to taste. Just give this all a good mix. There is a nice aroma of Baharat spice. About half a cup of tomato puree. This is fresh tomato puree. You can use the ready-made as well. If you want to make fresh at home, you can see the recipe in description box above. Finally add sliced pepper. I am using red bell pepper. If you miss any measurement of the ingredients, all these recipes are available on mytastycurry.com. You can check it from there. Finally add just enough water to cover all these vegetables. And now I am going to cover this with the lid. Lower the heat to the medium low and we'll cook this for 15 minutes and after that we'll check it if it is done. Now our tagine has been cooking from past 15 minutes. It's time to check. Just see, this is what I was telling you. It cooks in the steam, so no need to add a lot of water. It's not cooked yet, so I think it will take 5 more minutes. Just cover it again and cook it some more. Now I'll lift the cover again. This is done now. It's time to serve. So before you serve, just add some chopped flat leaf parsley. take out this tagine in the bowl. So our chickpeas and vegetable tagine is ready. I'm going to serve this with basmati rice. You can serve it with couscous also. Traditionally it is served with couscous or rice, anything. So it's your personal choice. Just a squeeze of lime and some more parsley. Your vegetable tagine is ready to dig in. All of you on Instagram who told me to cook something in tagine, here it is. Hope you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with new recipe in next week. Till then, happy cooking.